smell like you do. Get your pants.
Good morning. I know you hear the kids in the living room, but I have a lot to do today. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so I need to go and buy some more tins to cook some food in. I need to clean up a lot. The first thing I do in order to get ready is I need to wash my face. So I'm gonna do a really quick get ready with me, nothing special, just really quick, and then we're gonna get started on this day. Alright, so the first thing that I do in the morning is I gotta put this hair up because I don't want my hair getting soaking wet while I'm washing my face. But I'm gonna show you the products that I use to wash my face with, and then I'm gonna wash my face. So the first thing that I'm gonna use in the morning, of course, I'm gonna be using my Clarisonic brush to wash my face. In the morning time, I use a Roden & Fields Reverse Deep Exfoliating Wash in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, and then I will show you the products that I put on after I'm done washing my face. So I will see you guys in just a second. The next thing that I do after I wash my face is all washed and I let it air dry. I don't take another towel or anything to it. Is I take my Roden & Fields Enhancement Lash Booster. I've currently been using this and I have to say that it is working. I can tell a difference already, and this will be my third time using it. It comes in this cute little tube, and then it's like this, and then you just put it on your lash line. And I'm going to be using a Roden & Fields Multifunction Eye Cream. We'll be using that as soon as this dries. And on my face, I'm going to be using, instead of using my Roden & Fields Skin Lightening Treatment that I'm not going to be using right now, I'm going to be using my Sierra V. If that's not how you say it, let me know, because that's how I've been saying it. But it's a skin renewing serum. I'm going to be using that. This is my little Roden & Fields eye cream, and then my little face serum tube. I could actually go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put this on because I don't get this on my eyes. I get the eye serum on my eyes, so I'm making clothes dry, like no drippage. But we're going to go and put this on, and then we will put on the eye serum. Rub it in really good. I get it on all parts of my face. I'm going to use the viewfinder as the mirror because if I go to the mirror, you can't really see me, I noticed. And I don't have anywhere to put the camera. So, we're just going to work this onto my skin like so. And I do use different products at nighttime, so I'll probably do a get ready for bed with me video at some point. I have a lot of stuff coming up, so I'm not exactly sure when I would get that done, but I might be able to throw it in between some things. But alright, now that that's all done, I'm gonna check the mirror and make sure that's nice and good here. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Roden & Fields eye serum and just get a little bit on my finger like so, and then I put it here and work my way up. That's what I do. I work my way up. And then I do the same thing on the opposite eye. I just work my way up with the product. And I just work it in. And this is part of my kids' morning routine as well. They also have to wash their face and make sure it's nice and clean. So if you have kids and you do that too, awesome. If not, it's actually a struggle to get that going. And next, I'm just going to take my Oral-B toothbrush and pop my little top on there, and we're going to brush our teeth. then the next thing I do is mouthwash. Okay, now that that's said, we need to go and get dressed. So let's go find some clothes. Not exactly sure what I'm going to be wearing yet. Ignore that mess behind me. I don't think I said, but yeah, we have one closet in our house and we can't even use the closet, so all of our clothes go on this and on our dresser. So I try to keep it as neat as possible. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but that's what we're working with. But I'm going to find some clothes. Okay, before I put my undershirt on, I wanted to show you my little undershirt that's going to be under this shirt right here. Is from Bazzoli. Super cute, super soft. Love the material. And then here is the shirt I'm going to be wearing over that. Super cute too. This is from Glitz. And the jeans are from D Jeans. And just bear with me while I'm showing you the clothes. I've got to get a mirror. I know, I just haven't been able to find one that I like. That's why I normally don't show what I'm wearing or where it's from. And half the time I'm in workout clothes anyways. But now that I'm dressed, I need to get my socks and shoes on. With this, I'm just going to wear my black Uggs. And whenever I wear something over this, when I go out in a minute, I'm going to be throwing on this cute little overshirt. It's got some fuzz on the inside. It is from Passport, so it's super cute and will be super cute. Okay, so actually I decided to change my shirt and just wear this shirt over it. It's really cute. I like this shirt a lot. I figured that way I could just take it off easy when I was doing dishes and stuff, and then I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, getting all wet and stuff. So I need to get my shoes on. It's 9:02. I need to go out. I need to grab Austin lunch, and I need to pick up some stuff to cook in tomorrow. So I'll meet you guys in just a few minutes. So I said I was going to meet y'all at the dollar store, but actually I'm going to meet you right here because I'm going to fill my container up with water. I try and drink 3 of these every single day. I know you see the shadow of Jay loving. I fed you already, baby. I fed you already, boo-boo. So we walked outside to get ready to leave, and noticed this cute little bird taking a bath. Is it funny? So Samson and I are back from the Dollar Tree. We got lunch. I picked up Austin's lunch box him. So now we're back home. He wants to try his silly string. And then after that I have to get cleaning. Show us your silly string. Whoa, that went so far. Why don't you wait on your brothers and y'all spray each other. Okay, here, put your top back on.